inside the Cooks Cove Walkway. Let's go see what this is all about. Cooks Cove Walkway is named after the English sailor and explorer Captain James Cook. Okay, we're here, we're going to walk up along the hills down here so we'll get a good view of the wharf from up there. Hopefully fly the drone. Let's start this bad boy, eh? So down here behind me is Cooks Cove. Got the hole in the wall, and what we have here is a little frame so you can put yourself in. I'm going to put myself in this and take a photo of me. Right, so that's it, done. Cooks Cove. It's about an hour and 34. See you next time.